Ehsaas by Girls Islamic Organization. At a time where humanity is at stake globally, the Girls Islamic Organization, a youth wing of the girls under the ambit of its parent organ, Jamaat-e-Islami Hind, to organize a statewide campaign to promote peace and brotherhood in Karnataka. Those addressed the press meet demonstrated concern for the declining human ethos and dominance of materialistic world. State President of Girls Islamic Organization, media briefing was led by Navida Hussain Asadi and campaign convener Arfa Fatin among others at Bift Auditorium on Queens Road this afternoon. The 10-day campaign is likely to start on October 2nd and culminate on October 12th with the planting of saplings as a ceremonial event to conclude that marks the occasion in the presence of nearly 300 volunteers across the state. On the occasion, campaign logo was displayed before the media as a ceremonial gesture to mark the occasion. The address was part of the parent body and youth wing with an aim to restoring humanity.
On behalf of Girls Islamic Organization of Karnataka to introduce our statewide campaign Ehsaas Restoring Humanity, taking place from 2nd to 12th October 2025. As we know, our world is beautifully diverse with countless languages, faiths and cultures. Yet injustice, hate and intolerance are tearing us all apart. Misinformation spreads faster than truth and empathy seems rarer than ever. This is why we launched Ehsaas, Restoring Humanity. When hate is loud, kindness must be louder. Ehsaas is more than a campaign. It is a movement to awaken the conscience of the society. As Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Be merciful to those on earth and the one above the heavens will be merciful on you." This timeless word forms the heart of our campaign. The mission of Ehsaas is simple yet profound: to restore care, compassion and courage in our society. Through this campaign, we aim to promote interfaith dialogue through shared human values, create inclusive platforms for dialogue, support and social healing, address humanitarian concerns affecting all of us, inspire courageous voices to stand against all forms of injustice and oppressions, and to embody the Islam's universal message of peace and harmony. Over 11 days, the campaign will engage the people of Karnataka through impactful and meaningful initiatives such as peace circles and interfaith meetups to build harmony, door-to-door visits and awareness programs to spread the message, creative activities like poster making, competitions, slam poetry and interactive sessions to inspire the youth, relief drives and care kit distribution to support those in need. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, restores humanity. The time to act is now. Moving from silence to proactive solidarity is the need for now and need of today. This is the spirit that drives Ehsaas, Restoring Humanity. Respected members of the press and all the people present over here, Ehsaas is not just a campaign of Girls Islamic Organization Karnataka. It is an invitation to every citizen who believes in peace and harmony. We warmly invite you to join us, amplify this message and also help us all make kindness live again. Thank you. At this moment, we are logo launch. I warmly request our guests to unveil the logo of the campaign.